हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आप लोग को ब्यूटी रिले लंदन के 6 मस्ट हैव प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताऊंगी, वो भी अंडर बजट। फर्स्ट वन इज स्किन पेंट्स जेल ग्लोइंग स्किन टेंट बीबी फाउंडेशन. And this glowing skin tint BB foundation is so lightweighted and perfect for everyday wear. It offers sheer to medium coverage, giving your skin a natural radiant glow, and it's really hydrating. And you know what? It blends effortlessly, leaving your skin looking fresh and you all day long. Plus, it's enriched with skin loving ingredients to keep your skin healthy and happy in just under rupees 600. It's a steal deal, right? Just a small amount goes a long way. Apply it with your fingertips or a makeup sponge for a flawless finish. Whether you are heading to work or a casual outing, this BB cream has got your coverage. It's just wow. Look at the finish. It's really good. Next on our list is the shade story Be Bold Eye Kohli Kajal. This highly pigmented kajal delivers intense look in just one stroke. It's perfect for creating bold, dramatic eye or a stable everyday look. The long-lasting formula ensure that your eyes stay defined throughout the day without smudge or fading. And best part of the kajal is it's gentle on your eyes, making it suitable for everyday use. Seriously. And guys, last but not the least, we have the marker lip liner pencil. This lip liner pencil is designed to define and shape your lips with precision. Its creamy texture glides on smoothly, making it easy outline and feel your lips. Available in a range of stunning shades, it pairs perfectly with your favorite outfit. It's an excellent addition to your makeup collection. You can just line your lips for a fuller look or use it as a base of your lipstick to enhance its staying power. The marker lip liner pencil ensures your lips look impeccable by all day long. You can see how deep and pigmented the color is. I was not expecting to use it as a full lipstick, but at the end, I definitely do the same. These three products are going to be in my favorite list. You can see the final look. Wow, it's really good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Hit the bell icon to stay update on your latest video. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.